foglie di verza farcite. Here we are in the kitchen with Lorenzo. Ciao, Lorenzo.
Ciao, Nonna. How you doing?
All right. We're going to make stuffed cabbage. I don't think I taught you that.
No, not yet.
And what you need, of course, is a Savoy cabbage, a nice one. And what you want is the leaves, ultimately. So what we need to do is we need to get the core out. So you go around, and what I'm trying to do is at the end to get all the way down so I can pull this core out. So let's go in there. Okay, it's coming. So here we go. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in boiling water. And what's going to happen slowly, the leaves from the cabbage will release itself. But still, you want to leave them a little bit in here so they become kind of soft. And then take them out and we put them in ice water, just like that, to cool off so we can work with them. So now we'll make the sauce. The base of a good sauce and vegetable is a pestata. So a pestata is some onions. You're taking mental notes here, right?
Yes, definitely.
It's carrots, celery, some rosemary, some sage, garlic, and voila, this is a pestata. So Lorenzo, put just some oil in the pan. Go ahead, a little more. That's enough. That's good. Let's put half of the pestata for the sauce. Half of the pestata, you can put it all in here. And this is sausages out of the casing. That's it.
Trying to get everything.
Yeah. That's good. I'm going to put some water. I'm going to soak this bread. And Lorenzo, just turn the bread until it's completely soaked. And then you kind of squeeze it out of the water, and that's going to be part of the filling. So here I have the pestata. I'm going to add the onions to the pestata now. And let that wilt. And yeah, you squeeze it. Good job. And now kind of crumple it. That's it. Crumple it all in there. And do that to all of that bread. So let me check on the sauce here. The onion is wilting. That's nice. The heart of the Savoy cabbage was left. We're going to cut it and use it in the sauce. Okay, I'm going to throw this into the sauce so it can cook all together.
Smells delicious.
Okay, so that's wilting again. You know, the sauce, nice and easy. We're working on the sauce. Now on the filling. I'm going to whisk this egg, and I'm going to put all of this parsley here.
Go for it.
All? Yeah, I think so.
I'm a parsley fan.
I love parsley, too. I'm going to put some cheese, too.
Who doesn't love cheese?
Okay. So I'm thinking about salt, but between the cheese and the sausages being salty,
yeah,
I don't think we need any of that, right?
Yeah, well, if we need some, we'll add some.
Okay. So here is the egg. Let me whisk the egg. And now you can really get your hands in there. So the onions are wilted. I'm going to add the tomato. These are plum peel tomatoes from the can. You know how I squash them? And just add them right in there. We need some more water to put all of that in here. So that's good. So let me see. You did a good job.
Oh,
nice.
Thank you.
Omogenizzato, come si dice?
Homogeneous.
Homogeneous. There you go. This back on, so it comes back to boil. So here is our cabbage right here. Let me take, so you see each leaf has a rib, and that kind of is difficult to fold in. So what you do, you slowly with a paring knife, just take that part off. And now you can bend it.
Can I try?
Sure.
Like this.
Yeah, just that's perfect. And now we can begin to roll our cabbage. You take a little bit of meat, just like that. Enough to fit in here. And what you do is you begin to roll. You roll. When you're halfway through, you tuck these in so it doesn't come out the side, just like that. And you continue to roll into a nice, compact little package. So now we'll do one together. So give me a little roll, and you take yourself a little roll.
It's a little much, or?
No, that's fine with me. That's it.
Here.
It's okay.
There we
It
go.
broke a little bit here, but yeah, this end.
Tuck this in.
Then tuck that in one side, then tuck the other side in. You're getting it. Very good. So that's nice. And you put it right there. So go ahead. You're gonna be finishing those. I'm gonna start nestling these in the sauce. Nice and easy. And as you see, I reduced the sauce.
This last one.
So, I'm kind of nestling him so that the flap is underneath, because when it cooks, the cabbage will adhere to the meat. Okay. And since this is layered, you cannot go in and mix. You have to periodically go with the wooden spoon in the corner and kind of check and move them around a little bit. But what works well is that you just shake the pot like that, so that you move them from underneath so that they don't stick. I always predicate about tasting things. Yeah. We have one left. Put it in the corner here. Where? Right there. Okay.
There we go.
Okay. Put the lid on. 45 minutes, it should be done. Now, when you cook in the kitchen, you clean in the kitchen. So it's time to clean up.
Of course.
Istria is a border situation between Western Europe and Eastern Europe. And there's a lot of diversity there in cultures, which is beautiful. There's remnants of those influences through the ages that is evident in the cuisine. For example, sarme, the stuffed cabbage. Sarme is a Turkish word. So coming up even from the Ottoman Empire, crawled up the coastline there, and, left, and some of those dishes are still cooked. And I love making them, and people love them. Lorenzo, the cabbage, you see how it kind of cooked down?
Reduced.
Yeah, and the cabbage itself wilted kind of around this. So let's plate the cabbage rolls. So you see what I'm doing? I'm keeping this underneath so that my bowl, there you go.
So you don't need to clean.
Nice one, and they really become deliciously soft, and the meat in there is, And this, I think, is nice if you bring it to the table, family style like this, huh?
I think it's perfect, yeah.
Good one. Just like that, I think. Give me our two plates. Put them here. So, one is for me, one is for you.
Wow.
Okay. I got a whistle from you. Not finished yet. A little bit of sauce over these. And why don't you present it to our audience right there? That looks good. All right, and there, it's you and I. A little bit for me, a little bit for you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut one because I really want them to see what's in there and how does it look. The nice little bundle of delicious stuffing that you made.
Wow.
And let's see how it tastes. That's the way to do it. Good?
Delicious. Wow.
Nice and juicy and light. One would think it's heavy, but it's nice and light.
Always.
We worked very hard. We deserve a little dessert. So I thought that we would kind of build something quick
Absolutely.
to have after our cabbage.
Awesome.
I'll taste mine. You can taste yours. It's a little strawberry, a little chocolate.
Hazelnuts.
These strawberries are so, shall I say, jammy? They're delicious. And of course, these wafers.
Delicious.
Nice crunch. Delicious. Now, we certainly have enough. What do we say at the end?
You have to invite them.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
So, 1, 2, 3. Tutti a tavola a mangiare. Come and join us.